Today I'm going to explain how to solve the unbalancing error in commercial washing machine. You can see in here shock absorber not working properly is damaged. So when it is not balancing, the main thing is shock absorber. When you get the last spin, so machine getting unbalancing. There is a switch for safety switch for unbalancing. It will getting on. So we have to replace the shock absorber altogether. When we changing the shock absorber, we wanna change altogether. Otherwise, we using the new shock absorber also getting damaged immediately. Then same issue will happen again and again. Today I discussed about Girbau washing machine 24 kg. If you have any doubts about this, you can comment. Thank you.